This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. It's also possible, and please correct me if I'm wrong, that ang usual difficulty kasi ng leader, pag sumobra sa caring or sumobra sa results,
that's the journey of where you learn over time with experience how you balance both. You can have learning sessions on that. You need to be able to experience it yourself to be able to understand why you would do it and when you will do it.
Okay.
Yun lang naman yun eh.
Okay.
But that is learned easily. Just like anything else, to be good, you need to practice, whether you've been successful or not. Kasi yung results, nakakalimutan yan eh. People forget that you made the company number 1 or you achieved this, etc. They will always remember you for only one thing. Okay yan si boss. Pag sinabi okay yan si boss, mabait si boss, maalaga yan si boss, maunawain si boss. But they will never tell you, magaling yan kasi naging number 1 kami. I haven't heard anyone talk about a good boss na nagsabi kasi naging number 1 kami. If you probe, they will tell you they received results. But they will not tell you that first as the reason why magaling yung naging boss nila. You need experience. So that's all it takes. But you have to understand that first. That you and many people don't understand that you can balance both. That's to me the message that has resonated to me over the years. Because I've always been asked. I've seen CEOs who are really all results driven. But I've also seen that they don't last. Hindi sila tumatagal. Why? Because ang tao ayaw sa kanila. When you say ayaw sa kanila, umaalis ang tao. So, while you may have gotten the results over a short period of time, on a longer period of time, nawawala siya kasi umaalis yung mahuhusay. So then, senior management will wonder, bakit umaalis ang tao? So eventually, they will decide, because you're not able to perform also anymore, after a while, kasi nga, lahat ng mahuhusay umalis, you're bound to be replaced also. That's a very hard lesson to understand as leaders, as CEOs.
You're only really as good as the people that you have.
Agree. And I've been blessed. I'm very happy to be blessed. How do I know I am blessed? Because many of them are my friends up to today.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.